Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Chinese takeaway beef. Why is it so silky and delicious? Beef and black bean sauce, a Chinese classic, Mrs. Chang's favorite, a surprise Valentine's Day dinner tonight. For this recipe, I'm using frying steak simply because it's all I could get in the supermarket today. It's a bit tough, but we're going to show you how to tenderize it. Flip your chopper or knife round and whack that beef like this. And then in the opposite direction, whack that beef again. Flip the beef around and repeat the same process. I'm going to cut this beef into strips and then diagonally at a 45-degree angle slice the beef. We want it nice and thin so it's easy to chew, about this thickness here. Now for the marinade, put the beef into a bowl, some dark soy sauce, some Shaoxing Wine for that Asian flavour, black pepper, water, and give that a good mix with your hand. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornflour, rub that around, that'll lock in all the flavours. Finish it off with a tablespoon of vegetable oil. This will stop the beef from sticking together when it hits a hot wok. Heat your wok, give it a good coating of vegetable oil. Any excess oil, just throw it back into the pot. When your wok or frying pan is piping, smoking hot, add in the beef. Don't turn it around. Allow the beef to sit there for 20 seconds so as not to cool down the oil too fast. Then you want to flip the beef around. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of black beans, fermented Chinese black beans. Give that a quick stir around. Then we're going to go in with the onions, bell peppers. Mix everything together quickly. Oh, the black beans smell amazing. Minced garlic followed by some dark soy sauce. This is about a tablespoon. Some salt to taste, a third of a teaspoon of salt or more. Some boiling hot water, half a cup, 150 mils that would be. Some MSG flavour enhancer. Some corn flour to thicken up the sauce. And then give everything a quick stir, and here we have it. Beef and black bean sauce. Mrs. Chang's absolute all-time favourite. She's going to be so impressed when she comes home tonight for her Valentine's dinner.
Hello, darling. What are you cooking?
Beef and black bean, your favourite for Valentine's Day.
Me no even like beef or vegetables. No Valentine's Day until next week. Are you silly? Oh my god. That's meant for you. Lovely jubbly. Please like and subscribe.